Good morning, everybody. Taking my best friend out for her morning walk. She gotta find the right spot. She gotta sniff about 100 spots until she finds that exact right spot. Then she does her little twirl, turning around. Let's see. What's the right spot? What's the right spot, baby? Oh, the fire hydrant? Could it be? Could it be? What do you think? Oh, there's another dog. Distracting her. Yeah. Hey, you calm down. She's my baby, but she can be vicious. If she's gonna protect me, she will rip your face off. She likes to stop at this yard. I don't know why, because they got dogs. She just pees in their yard, though. She doesn't do anything crazy. Just a little pee. Nothing major. And then she likes to cover it up. Cover up her pee. No, I didn't pee here. I covered it up. Right? But the real question is, where is the spot? Come on, Stinky. Another pee. You know what that means? We're at the end of the road. Maybe I didn't have to poop this morning.